If you get a chance, get out in nature and just listen to the wisdom. Like when the winds of change come and they blow hard, will you resist or will you relent? And what will happen if you resist? What will happen if you relent? Look at this. And all these trees that relented will decompose and they'll turn into soil that will nourish the landscape for many different varieties of plants and animals. And the ones that resist will grow tall and provide shade and nourishment and seeds and strength to the soil through their roots. So everybody's got a part. So go out into nature. Figure out what your part is. Just figure it out. Everybody's got a part.